Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Check out this beauty in the form of a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. For those of you in the know, this is a WS6 package. Very desired package. Very, very low miles in the 30k range. It is in stunning condition, painted in mine red. Four-wheel disc brakes. Once again, the W6 package. Four-wheel disc brakes with the beautiful honeycomb wheels. There's your 6.6 liter engine. This is a factory AC car. Blows cold. That's 403 4-barrel. Good looking ride. This is an automatic with the shifter, of course, in the center console. Power windows, cruise control, power steering, power brakes. Again, the AC. You can see the T-tops are off right now. They are smoked glass in color. Easy on, easy off with those. Back the interior, beautiful black buckets. Tilt steering. Cruise control, has a sport mirrors on both sides, spoiler in the back. It is a gorgeous car. Once again, with 30-some K actual miles. Beautiful, beautiful car. Go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out all the beautiful pictures we have of this car and all the other cars and trucks that we have in stock. You'll also find a detailed description of this car and all the others as well. Give us a call here. We'll be glad to help out. CruisinClassicsInc.com. We got you covered. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.